When some people think of computer science, they think of mobile apps, or cubicles, or hipster hackers, or gamer nerds, or server farms. These are all things that exist in the software world, but they're not the point. Computer science is, in essence, the study of how to make things faster, more powerful, more automated, more efficient, more scalable. How to extract meaning from data so complex a human could never hope to understand it by just reading through it, and how to process that at a massive scale. Programming is merely the means to that end. Understanding computer science will change the way you approach everything in life. And it's applicable to virtually everything. A career in computer science can be highly rewarding, both financially and in terms of job satisfaction. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual salary for computer and information technology occupations was $92,200 in May 2022, and employment in the field is projected to grow 11% from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average for all occupations. Additionally, computer science is a field that is constantly evolving, and there is always something new to learn, which can be very stimulating for people who enjoy problem solving and innovation. However, a career in computer science is not for everyone. It requires a strong background in math and the ability to think logically and troubleshoot effectively. Also, it would be a very fast-paced job with high-pressure situations. Many people who work in computer science also have to work long hours and be on call in case of emergencies. It is important to keep in mind that computer science is a broad field and there are many different areas of specialization, so it may be helpful to research different areas of the field and talk to people who work in the field to get a better idea of what a career in computer science would entail before making a decision. Overall, a career in computer science is worth it if you have an interest in the field and aptitude for it.